Approach door unlock, walkaway door lock, walkaway door lock. Walkaway locking can be enabled or disabled from the central information display from My Vehicle app under Exterior in Locks options. Walkaway locking feature locks the vehicle automatically when you exit the vehicle along with the key fob, close the door, and move 2 to 3 meters away from the vehicle. Notice. Approach door unlock. Smart approach unlock can be enabled or disabled in the central information display from My Vehicle app under Exterior in Locks options. Smart approach unlock automatically unlocks the vehicle when the user approaches the vehicle with a valid key fob and is within the range of 1 meter. Notice.